It's me again. You know what I'm doing? Cleaning my shoes off. I think I made a video about this already, but I'm cleaning the crud out of my shoes because I don't want my kids to get stabbed. And if you see this video 55 times, well, you know what? It's just me making videos. But I don't want my youngest son to have... I gotta get shop shoes is what I need. See, there's a big piece of something. I used a welding brush to clean it off because I don't like bringing metal filings home, even though I tend to do it once in a while, and people go, "Oh, I got a metal thing over here. Where it come from?" It came from my shop. Bad man. Yep, bringing metal pieces of metal home. Look at that. It's like a jewelry box on the bottom of my shoes. Thankfully, this brush does a pretty good job. Gets most of them. Even gets the gum out. Look at that. Right up gum. But I gotta, I'm gonna, when I buy a new pair of shoes, I'm gonna leave probably a pair of boots here or something else so I can change them. I think I have a shop tip of this, but yeah. That's one of the things about protective equipment. It's, everybody should have protective equipment. Let me put this up here. Not only protect yourself, but protect other people who come to my shop. Like my kids haven't been here in a while because there's metal shavings everywhere. Like it's just the trek. So I gotta, while I work back there, trek's over here. So I have to basically clean all this up again and, what do you call it? Vacuum it all. And I want to clean all this out of here because there's too much shit here. Where do I put it? I don't know. Either in the trash or by the road. But no, there's a mule there. There's 5 million tons of other shit. This has to go somewhere. That, anybody want a, what do you call it? A jointer? I was planning on using it. I found an even smaller one for my needs, so I'm going to get rid of that one. I'll probably sell it online. Nice old Rockwell jointer that's paying almost nothing for. So anyway, I should probably just shut the hell up now and end this video here. Oh, and in Canada, we have this kind of water. Pretty sure Nestle probably bought them out and was selling all the groundwater to everybody. So anyway, that's it for this.